All right, jury selection now underway in the trial of the Oxford High School shooter's father. James Crumbley is charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter, the very same charges that led to the conviction of his wife last month. 7 Action News reporter Simon Shakat shows us how jurors are being chosen for round 2 of this unprecedented case.
We've confirmed more than 300 potential jurors arriving here at the Oakland County Courthouse today to start the process of jury selection in the case against James Crumbley. And at the same time, no cameras allowed in court. Jury selection now underway for the case against James Crumbley, who's facing 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter. He's the father of the Oxford High School shooter who killed 4 students and wounded others in November 2021.
You can strike a jury member based on some kind of bias if they have some predetermined view.
Today, potential jurors including a full-time IT worker, a grocery store worker, an engineer, and a real estate broker. 1 cancer patient and 1 third-year medical student, both excused for scheduling conflicts.
This is where either the defense or the government can strike a juror based on something that's less than bias, but generally a feeling that the person may not be sympathetic.
University of Detroit Mercy law professor and former federal prosecutor Adam Wright speaking about picking an impartial jury for a 2-week trial, particularly after James's wife Jennifer was already tried on the same charges and found guilty in a prior case.
The challenge for the defense side is going to be the set of facts relating to the purchase of the gun.
Prosecutors say key evidence in this case was James Crumbley buying the gun used in the mass shooting and failing to secure it, leading to deaths of Tate Meir, Madison Baldwin, Hannah St. Juliana, and Justin Schilling. Today, the judge reminding potential jurors that media coverage is not evidence, and prosecutors telling them this case is not about gun ownership rights.
Ultimately, the result, hopefully, is a jury that's fair and able to hear the facts of this particular case.
Prosecutors also claim gross negligence in James ignoring trouble signs at school hours before the tragedy. After a meeting with counselors, he and his wife leaving their son there, despite being urged to get him help right away. Jury selection continues tomorrow, and so far it's unknown just how long this process could take. From Pontiac, Simon Shakat, 7 Action News.
Thank you, Simon. And we'll be following the landmark trial of James Crumbley every step of the way. Stay with 7 Action News and WXYZ.com for the latest developments.